Hey there, people of the internet, friends and family. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your boy, D-Rex, and today we are reacting to some more Dangoheart Animation. As always, like, comment, subscribe, all those good things. And if you would like to watch this video uninterrupted and you have not seen the official release, link in the description. And today we are starting out with Slime's Valentine. And apparently everyone's favorite witch is back. So what does the witch and slime have to do with Valentine? And by the way, Valentine's was about a month ago. Yeah, a little late, but you know what? Let's just go and see what happens. Okay. Oh, there's a little slime girl. Yeah, I was gonna question why she's gonna give Steve a Valentine, candy. But it's like, oh, she got hit with her own potion, and now she's in love with him, or she's got a crush on him, or whatever. So it makes sense. Oh, oh. Oh, that's cute the way she jumps. Oh, hey, don't laugh at her. Like, move, kid. Yep. So here you go, Steve. Nope. It's gonna budge. Wait. Oh. She grew up really quick. Oh. She just like sits on the witch and seems like, I know where this is going. Just puts the armor right on. Oh no. No, don't cry. It's okay. Steve's gonna die at this rate. Oh, I got an idea. What's the idea? Oh, feathers. Okay. Yeah, she's very ticklish. Oh, they got. Oh, for what I thought they killed her. Like, what? No, this must be the teenager stage, I'm guessing. We had the kid, we had grown up slime. Look now. Oh! Steve's seen better days. Those are just skedaddle. Okay. And the final video for the day is, it is legal to marry your Pokemon? I believe the proper sentence would be, is it legal to marry your Pokemon? But that's just me.
Don't let society tell you what's right or wrong for you to smash. After all, Diamond and Pearl explicitly state that, quote, there once were people who married Pokemon. This was a normal...
Oh. Who's the... Dang it, I forgot. I can't remember the guy's name.
thing because long ago, people and Pokemon were the same.
Charmander, are you okay? Oh no. Alright, I'll be honest. I forgot that this was a thing in Diamond and Pearl. And now when I think back on it, when I, went over here and was talking to the NPCs and whatever, I'm just like, well, you can marry your Pokemon? Or people used to marry Pokemon? That's weird. But, I mean, if the Pokemon looked like this, then I wouldn't say no. I mean, especially this Bulbasaur. She looks cute. The only time someone would ever pick Bulbasaur is if Bulbasaur looked like this. But with that being said, I need to go and rethink my life. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.